Ay, go na, go mami na. Go na, let's go. Ay, baka maano yan. Done for the church, and today we're gonna celebrate Mother's Day. So, tapos na kami mag-church. Ano naman, kain kami sa labas. So, hindi namin alam kung saan kami kakain. Yeah. So, happy Mother's Day! Mother's Day! Ayan, okay. Okay na, go to the, get inside na, Elia. Get inside, it's already open. Go! Yeah, tapos na kami mag-church.
Let's go!
Ayun. Okay, sakain. Namin. Tingin ko sa kami na kakain. Okay, happy Mother's Day!
Thank you!
Oh, where's the flowers? Give the flowers to Mommy, Elia.
No,
Elia, give the flowers to Mommy. Say happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day! Oh, thank you!
Say happy Mother's Day, Edre.
Happy Mother's Day!
Elia.
Happy Mother's Day!
Ellison.
Ellison na?
Ellison, naughty.
Naughty, Ellison?
No,
Okay, so we're going home now?
No.
No.
We're gonna eat
Where?
somewhere out there.
Somewhere out there?
McDonald's.
McDonald's! Celebrate Mother's Day?
Yeah.
Where?
Seafood City.
Cebu City.
No.
Ah?
Buffet Square. Let's go to Buffet
Where?
Square.
McDonald's.
Buffet Square.
Okay, McDonald's now. Buffet Square. Apakit doon sa Buffet Square. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oo, huwag kayo mag-away. Okay, nag-away ng dalawa.
After McDonald's.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Okay.
I want the song.
Later.
Wait, I have a flower.
Super yummy.
Song.
Happy.
Happy.
Pogi
Happy, and you know it. Clap your hands.
Parang binata lang
Happy, and you know it. Clap your hands. Clap your hands.
Siguro
Happy Mother's Day!
No.
siguro may pinoporman ka, no?
Ikaw, pinupormahan kita.
No, it's not.
Just not. They're just gonna break the car. Hang it. It's gonna break
Panay
the car.
diet mo,
Yeah.
Siyempre, ano ba mapogi?
Oh, kita mo.
Daddy.
Line-up ka lang naman sa akin.
Is your daddy pogi?
Of course.
Yes.
Yes.
He's not pookie.
He's really handsome.
Okay, Elia's not pretty then.
You told me I'm handsome. Yeah, si Elia is pretty and beautiful and daddy is handsome. Order na kami, daming tao. Sabi daw 30 minutes to 1 hour yung waiting. It's okay, parang kami busog. So, hinihintay na namin, ito na kami kumain. Hinihintay sila Ruwen na Elia, si Edri, pero bumili na ng McDonald's. Si Elia kasi nagutom. Hi Ellison. So Elia bumili na ng McDo kasi nagutom na. Bumili ng nuggets. Ayan, sa mga ano pa 30 minutes to 1 hour daw yung waiting.
Mommy, what is this?
So naghihintay pa kami ng pagkain. We're waiting for the food. Maraming tao eh. Leah, say hi.
I have already said food.
Say hi na, be nice. Be nice na. Be nice na naman. Say hi. Say hi na. Say Happy Mother's Day. Say it na. Say Happy Mother's Day. Dali na. I give you a tablet later. Say Happy Mother's Day. No? Ayaw.
Which one you want?
I did it. Let's say Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. You want to borrow my cellphone?
Ano pala naman, mga 15 minutes pa lang kami nag-inom. Ang dami kasing tao. Kaya wala pa yung order. Hindi matatagal lang. Hindi pa naman ako gutom. Pwede mga bata kumain. Hindi na namin ng McDonald's para hindi na umiyak. Ayan. Elia, you don't wanna eat? Go eat. What? It's good almond. Kasi dati may parang may sauce yung big order namin. Okay, iba to. Pero naman may almond. Dati may sauce as yung chicken niya hindi breaded. Hindi yun. Ha? Yeah.
Let's go.
We do grocery. Yeah, we can take it out later.
No, video.
Video.
Go first. Dali. Okay lang. Hi, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you for the treat.
Thank you for the treat. You're welcome. On Father's Day, ikaw naman manglilibre ha. Oy. Ano secret ka dyan? Secret. Alisan dito ka nga. Tapos kami kumain, uwi na. Andiyan ba ano pa pala kami? Mag-grocery. We're doing grocery. Mag-grocery pa tayo, di ba?
I don't really like groceries.
Ha? Mag-grocery tayo.
I don't really like groceries.
Nasaan yung susi? Wala sa akin. Okay, we're going home. Hindi, grocery muna tayo.
Home first.
Mag-grocery muna. I'll get inside na. Okay.
Flowers there.
Pagkatapos namin kumain, mag-grocery na kami. Mag-grocery na. Mahangin. Gonna check the bread for my diet. Saan naman yung bread? Ito. Where's your mom?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm just going to follow him.
I don't know. Let's wait for your mom here. No, stay here, stay here.
Why?
Stay here. Maybe she's in the vegetable section. That's okay, let's wait. Let's wait here. Let's check the bread. Let's wait. Oh, this one. Multigrain. Tapos, may 26. Pwede na to. Yeah. Okay, wait. This one. I got it. When you can. I'm gonna get that one. Nakakalan din siya sa meat section. Let's check here. Wala rin. Wala rin yung mami mo. Nasaan na nagpunta? Do you know where she is? You don't know? Okay, let's go to the other side. Let's check here. Wala. Saan nagpunta mami mo? Wala rin dito. Check other side. Maybe ano?
Maybe we're still at the
Ha?
maybe we're still at the vegetable aisle.
Vegetable?
Maybe.
We went there already.
Okay.
Okay, here, this side, let's go. Maybe here. Saan nagpunta mami mo? Not there.
Go to the big go to the
Huh?
vegetable.
What?
Maybe we go to the vegetable
go,
and
yeah.
fruit aisle then.
May bigas. Ang daming bigas na naka-sale. 30. Saan nagpunta mami mo?
They weren't here.
Ha?
They weren't vegan ice cream.
Not here. Okay, let's go back.
Okay.
No running. Oh, wala pa naman siya sa cashier. Hindi pa siya nagbabayad. Go, straight ahead. It's okay, here. Nasa bakery daw uli yung mami mo.
Huh?
Nasa bakery, in the bakery.
Oh.
Just straight ahead. There. Oh, wala naman dyan. I know. So confusing. I told you, mami, napupunta tayo doon eh. Doon. Straight ahead here. Ayun. Finally, we found you. Umikot na kami, nakarating na kami dun eh.
Nakarating kayo doon, ang layo-layo nyo.
Eh sabi mo, susunod kayo. Okay, let's go. Eh, Elia, anong ginagawa sa ilalim?
Favorite spot.
Oh my God, Elia, what are you doing? Ayun na.
Nope, I won't get out.
Si Elia. Careful.
Out here.
Galing kami dito. Tapos galing kami doon. Galing na kami dito kanina pa. Pabalik ka naman dito uli. Breast milk? Just one?
Yeah, this one.
Wala na ba doon? Kuha pa tayo isa. Okay, let's get one more. Asa na yung 3%? 3.25. Ay, wag na yan. Dalawa ba? Isa lang? Ha? No? Mami, you pay.
Mommy only said one.
Just one? Eh, ilan na ba doon? Kalahati na lang nandoon?
Oo.
O, di dalawahin muna. 2 fresh milk na bili mo.
No, how about
What? What did you said?
You got it.
No? You pay Edri.
no? You just pay for the milk.
Ma'am, let's buy other white sanitizer.
Where's that?
Doon, all the way here. Tama rin namin sila. Sanitizer. This side. Where's Elia? Where's Elia?
Oh, right here.
Where's Elia?
Here.
Where are you? There you go. Are you hiding? Okay, let's go. Asan mami mo? Asan na naman ang mami mo? Nawawala na naman. Go straight.
It's okay.
Ayun. Go straight. Wala na naman yung mami mo. Dito yung mga wipes sa beauty product ata yun. Yung wipes. Sanitizer. Saan banda? Wala dito.
Daddy, now I'm not professional.
Oh, maybe this one. Ito ba?
Are you sure?
Ano ba yan? Ah, makeup removal pa yan. No, not that one. That's makeup removal. I don't know. Let's go here.
I know what it was.
Ha?
I know what it meant.
This way, this way.
You know hardware will.
I know.
Wash your hands.
Baka nandito sila.
It's okay.
Ah, sa daycare yan? Akala ko sa atin.
I know.
Ano yan?
Spray.
Do that.
Yun na ba?
Ewan ko sa inyo.
Please stop.
Okay, let's go.
Ma'am, babayaran mo dyan.
Okay, where? Where?
On.
Hindi oh. Is it the Chips Ahoy? This one? Or this one the Oreo? Which one? Oreo?
You can just get one
Chips
of
Ahoy?
each. You can get one of each.
Oh, you take one.
Oh. There's no Oreo thing.
Oreo, I meron Oreo. Oh, may, ano mo Chips Ahoy? How many? Just one? I'll make it 2. Okay, Chips Ahoy 2. Ito Oreo. Oreo ba? This one Oreo? This is Oreo. Ayun, ano yan eh, ibang klase yan eh. Ha? That one?
Where's all the Oreo?
That's all. Oreo and ano, Chips Ahoy. Ano kinuha nila? Asal mami mo? Ayan. Ano yan? Oreo?
Oreo.
Ako pa Chips Ahoy yung gusto nila. Dalang dami ng Oreo. Asal yung Chips Ahoy. Diba Chips Ahoy yung gusto niyo? O yan na, Oreo na.
Edri, ito ba gusto niyo?
Si Elia, gusto niya Chips Ahoy ata.
Hindi, ayaw niya.
Ayaw din niya?
Ayaw. Ito gusto niya.
Anong gusto niya? Elia? Elia? You want this Chips Ahoy? No.
No.
You like the Oreo?
Yeah.
Okay. Oreo daw gusto nila. Masarap kaya Chips Ahoy na yan.
Buy it. I don't wanna buy it.
Okay, okay. Put it back.
Put it back.
Okay. Okay. Bayad tayo.
Nagbabayad din si Edison.
Ikaw magbabayad. Kunin yung akin lang ang babayaran ko.
Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Bayaran mo na yung akin. Mother's Day naman. Ay, nakabidyo ka. Mukha mo. Grabe ka. Ginagyan yung asawa mo. Open the back door, Ellison. Lagyan niyo na yan.
Elia, come here first.
Edre, help your brother here. Elia, get inside na.
Inside first. Come.
Put everything at the back. Oh, may water pa dito ah.
Wait lang.
Di na kasya, puno na.
Elia, ano siya?
Kaya ka na nga. I'll do it. Uwi na kami.
Uwi na kami na pinagod ako nito.
Okay guys. Kasi Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Say bye vlog.
Bye-bye.
Okay, say Happy Mother's Day again.
Happy Mother's Day.
Okay, bye. Huh? What?
Huh?
What did you say? Okay, say bye.
He said happy.
Okay, bye.
He said happy.
Bye.
He said happy.
Okay, Happy Mother's Day.
He said happy.
Okay, happy.
No, not happy.
What?
Happy Mother's Day.
Okay, Happy Mother's Day. Say it, Elia.
Happy Mother's Day.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Oh, the boy.
It's the day you've come along.